welcome back to day 10 of unboxing the 15 days of Beatles socks. So we're on number 10. What do we think we're gonna get? I have no idea. It's crazy. So let's go ahead, perforate that door as best we can. Alright, that one actually went considerably easier. Well, if I had actually opened this in a timely fashion from the time that I started this on John's birthday, I would have had these open in time for the 20th anniversary of the One album. But, that's still cool. That's still cool. Feels, not gonna lie, it feels like a little bit of a cop-out to make a sock design like that in a box of Beatles socks. But, yeah. You get what you get. It was a surprise. It is technically Beatle themed, therefore I do not get to complain. So, anyways. Hopefully we'll get something better behind door 11. I'm still holding out for Yellow Submarine. Please, 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 please. Maybe some Rubber Soul would be cool. Sgt. Pepper, anything. Any of the above would be epic. But yeah, so just a quick little update there. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.